Today I take on 4 kids and their Special Forces military dad in the ultimate sumo showdown. But I've got a secret weapon. This. Let's see how
Stakes, the loser takes a plunge into that freezing pool behind me and the winner, aka me, gets the bragging rights. Now, before we dive in, here are the rules. 2 bots enter the ring. The first one who gets pushed out loses. Every robot has to be made entirely out of Lego pieces, but you are allowed to use 3D printed parts to make your design better. This is strategy, design, and chaos rolled into one. Let the sumo battle begin.
All right, everyone, I want a fair fight here. You need to follow the 3-second wait rule. And the first one to touch the floor is going for a dip in the pool.
Yay.
That will be you. And you, and you, and you.
Okay.
And you!
My first opponent is Lava Chicken. This is the perfect robot to test out my freshly printed 3D ramp. But will it be enough to stay out of that cold water?
Let's go!
Straight on.
Sumo!
Just as I hoped, the angle of the ramp got straight under Lava Chicken. Next up is a popular sumo design, Droidbot. The initial impact caused Droid 2 to malfunction, so I wasn't able to come back for round 2. 2 down, 3 to go. Time to see if our youngest competitor can stop me.
I like your design. It's pretty cool. Let's see how it goes.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Oh, and it's out of here.
Oh my god.
The next competitor has me worried with the super fine edge on the bottom of the ramp.
Alright, step back.
I lost my first round, but I did notice one
3,
weakness in her
2,
design. The
1,
right edge of
go.
her ramp was slightly raised. I was now trying to aim for that spot.
Alright.
Sudden death.
After a close call, it was now time to verse Blade.
Sandy, I'm gonna beat your butt.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's close.
Blade's motors have too much torque, so I can't beat it straight on. I'm going to try and hit it on the right side of the ramp.
Oh, yeah.
Success. He was onto me, so I couldn't use the same strategy again. Luckily, I've been saving a secret code for this exact situation.
Hey,
The dodge and hit from behind code has worked. If you want access to quality sumo designs, coding, and 3D models, join our free Sumo Starter course. We also specialize in First Logo League coaching to turn your team from beginners to experts in no time. Check out our website for more information.
I guess you really did beat us, Sandy.
Good. Rematch next week?
Good game. Yeah, good
Alright.
idea. I will beat you next time. GG.
All right, losers, get in the pool. 3, 2, 1.